Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful crochet home decor ideas. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So viewers, crochet lampshade cover, simple and shade become unique with a delicate crochet cover. When the light shines through the crochet patterns, it creates beautiful shaded room. Now let's move to the kitchen. Crochet pot holder, dishcloth, mug, cozy and kitchen towel add color and personality to your cooking space. This is a small project and practical and fun to make. Don't forget the bathroom. Crochet storage basket, soap holder, tissue box cover and small decorative mat help create a neat and cozy bathroom. One of the best things about crochet home decoration is that you can use leftover small pieces of yarn to make flower leaves, coaster ornaments or colorful decoration. Nothing go to waste. And friends, crochet is also a relaxing hobby. Many people enjoy crocheting after a busy day because it helps them feel clean while creating something beautiful with their own hands. Every handmade project tells a story of it reflects your creative fantasy and personal style. That is why crochet decoration makes his house feel more like a home. And viewers, crochet is also a relaxing hobby. Many people enjoy crochet after busy days because it helps them feel clean while creating something beautiful with their own hands. Every handmade project tells a story. It reflects your creative fantasy, personal style. That is why crochet decoration makes a house feel more like a home. And viewers, my next idea is frames. Viewers, I hope you are enjoying my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. For more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video.